What is up, guys? We just got back from Area 51 and we're gonna show you something that no one has ever seen. An alien, but unfortunately, my brother didn't make it because he got caught by the camel man. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna open this alien. I wonder what's inside of it. It's an alien. Oh, look at his head. Okay, guys, so this is a tool. And this, you cut open the danger words. Right here, you cut it open like this. Begin your mission. This is your mission right here. And then you gotta cut where the danger line says, as I said, and then find the map and remove the alien. So, okay guys, so we got the alien open. This is what the alien looks like from here. And remember, you need to have this map. This map shows the hunters and aliens that you could collect. Hunters right here that you find inside of the alien. And gems. And also, you find these. Okay guys, so now I'm actually gonna dissect into the alien. This is his head and this is his body. Put it on the table. Doctor. He's in perfect condition. Perfect. Okay guys, so this is what is inside the alien. Take this out like that. Oh, this is the alien's bones. And what is this? Something that I don't know what it goes inside of the alien. We're supposed to cut this, as the symbol says. Okay guys, so now we're gonna open this. They came from inside the alien. So now we're gonna open this, and this looks really gooey. And it feels really gooey. So now we're gonna open it.
Open it at that. You put it
Oh my god. Look at this.
I like this. I like that.
Oh my god, it's really gooey. And this is a container to store your slime. Look at this. Look how gooey this is. It's a hunter. Mom.
It's a hunter. It's a hunter.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna remove this alien mysterious goo from the hunter. Okay. Whoa, look at this hunter. He looks cool. And oh, there's also something else in here. A weapon, as it seems. That is. Oh, it is a blaster. Okay, now we're gonna get that. Okay guys, so this is the weapon. So this is why it is important to have the map. If you don't have the map, you won't know what hunters you have. So the hunter that we have right now is Heister. This is Heister and his weapon right here. Okay, let's attach his weapon like that. We have a hunter now. Heister. Right here. Stand right there, Heister. This is him. He has a little money sign and a cape, golden arms, golden shoes, and some golden armor that has an S on it. Wow. He's pretty much like a rhino. He has one eye, two horns right here, and pretty much it. And then this is his golden blaster too. Everything is almost golden on him. That is amazing. Okay guys, so this is one thing I missed, and this is a critter. As you can see right here, there's 3 types of critters. So the critters, this critter should be critter 2 right here. Critter. Fun to match.
Okay.
Okay guys, so this is the hunter, and this is a rib cage, and this is the weapon from the hunter, and this is the critter. Wait, you can put the critter on his head. Look at it. Critter. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the slime that came out of the alien back in the alien, but this time in his head. And now we're gonna squish squish it once he puts it in. Now close the cap. And squish it. Squish. Yo.
Disgusting.
Ew, booger. Ew. Dirty alien. Art. It is cracked right now.
You eat booger.
He's still squishing it. This toy is really fun. You should buy it. It's only $15. It's a really great toy. And there's also more series of these. Ooh, what is it? Okay. Okay, guys. So it seems that I found some. Oh, a wanted poster
booger.
right here, and this glows in the dark. So we're gonna glow this in the dark right now. Okay, guys. So that's the end of the video because we gotta go save my brother from Area 51. If you enjoyed the video, then like, subscribe, notification bell. You know it all.